There's my side door. You can see yesterday I shoveled for 4 hours and my son was out here shoveling. There's Homer. Homer, what are you doing? Come here. Homer, look at me. Homer. You're too excited. Homer's the wonder snow dog. When other dogs give up, he loves it. So you can see the front walk that I shoveled. They're saying 2 feet, but I think it's closer to 3. Now yesterday I cleared this car off and shoveled all around it so we could get out. Don't go anywhere, Homer. And you can see where Homer's standing right now. That's because I shoveled that. 4 hours yesterday of shoveling. Come on, Homer. Here's the cars I didn't clear off. Look at that snow on the roof. Come on, Homer. It's up to just about mid-calf right here. Come on, Homer. You can see Homer, he can barely walk in it. He's stuck in the snow. Come on, Homer. Homer! Homer's a good snow dog. He's having trouble walking. Here's the backyard. Let's try to get this gate open. I think that's working. Homer, what are you doing? Come on, Homer. Gate snowed shut. You can see that gate. There's no getting in that one. Where are you going, Homer? You gonna come with me? Homer? Come on, doggy. Come on. Oh, come. Good boy. Here I am. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Homer. Come on, buddy. You can do it. He's a little confused. He's having a hard time. Come. He can't make it. It's too much. Is it too much snow, Homer? Should I save you? Yeah, there you go. Oh, much better, huh? You were buried, weren't you, buddy? Is it packed into your feet? I'm going to take a break and help Homer out a little bit. It gets packed up in between his paws and drives him crazy. You're going to go take a look? Here, follow my lead. You can see this part of the driveway is not plowed. Looks like the street is. I'm up to my knees right now. Be good snowshoe weather. What you doing, Homer? Come on, buddy. You can do it. Good boy. You did it. Homer's doing his best. Having a hard time. Has a lot of snow on the roof there. That worries me a little bit. In a satellite dish. Homer, let's go. Homer loves the snow. Your knees having a hard time. I'm guessing another 2 or 3 hours to work outside.